How to change currency on booking.com. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Search for booking.com. It will land you on the official page of booking.com. Now click on this icon at the very top right corner. And then click on Sign In. Now enter your login credential and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Click on the currency at the very top. Different currencies will be available to you. Choose a specific currency that you want to set. Let me choose Australian dollar for now. Click on it. Now if you search for the hotels, you will be able to see the currency has changed into Australian dollar. So this is simply how you can change currency on booking.com. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.